The spindle is at the very heart of the machine. To enhance the accuracy of the machine and the precision of the products it produces, the spindle has got to be very stable. For nearly 2 decades, TRÜC has focused exclusively on the production of precision spindles for machining centers, lathes and grinders, as well as custom-designed spindles for special-purpose machines. Tapers for all standard tooling systems are available, and speeds range from 3,600 to 12,000 RPM depending upon the application. Our latest development is a direct drive milling machine spindle with a top speed of 12,000 RPM, and of course, like all our spindles, it is highly stable. The high level of our products is a reflection of our resolve to always improve our technology. Our products have been received with international acclaim, further inspiring our drive for perfection. Material selection is a top priority for TRÜC. Its quills and main shafts are machined from SCM21. Since this part is closest to the cutting tool interface, this is where forces are the greatest. Shock resistance is most important, and SCM21 is extremely tough. It uses SCM4 alloy steel for its spindle jackets, hardened to 30 to 35 HRC. Needless to say, heat treatment is a given, and hardness rated at HRC 58 to 60 goes 1.2 millimeters deep. Because industrial demands are so strict, TRÜC quality control ensures every aspect of manufacture, from heat treating, drilling, rough to finish grinding, deliver the highest quality spindle. Bearings are key with spindle performance. For high speeds on machining centers or grinders, TRÜC uses 4 sets of angular contact roller bearings by top German suppliers. For lower speeds, like on turning centers, they use NN30K series Japanese bearings, which are better resistant to heavy loads and impact. Shops looking to upgrade may fit TRÜC spindles with hybrid ceramic bearings, which enhance performance by 20% or more. All bearings are protected by either oil mist or grease pack, depending upon the application. When it comes to running in spindles, TRÜC takes its time. Other manufacturers might jump straight up to max speeds, run it hard and call it a day. They save time, but it's not thorough. TRÜC runs its spindles for 20 minutes at incremented speeds and stretches the process over a minimum of 6 hours. Larger spindles can take as long as 5 days to properly run in, and TRÜC takes the time to do it. 300mm bar testing throughout the process shows accuracy to well within 10 microns. Preloading of the bearings depends on speed and loads. It's important to provide the right range of adjustment to achieve the right rigidity while avoiding run-out. TRÜC analyzes the client's applications and grinds the internal sleeves to accommodate the right spacers, with parallelism accurate within 1 micron. TRÜC takes great care to dial each one in perfectly, maximizing accuracy and bearing life. Preload tolerance is ultimately stabilized with Inchi lock nuts, precisely balanced and fully adjustable. Through spindle coolant keeps it cool, saves the tool and flushes chips away. This is an option, and for manufacturers requiring more serious flushing action, surround spindle coolant outlets with adjustable nozzles are available also. The drawbars clamp tool holders with over 1,000 kilograms of force. Each time a tool change occurs, a pneumatic knocking device at the top of the spindle taps the end of the drawbar to release the tool. In order to minimize impact on the bearings, THÄI fits its spindles with a floating catch which effectively absorbs this impact to protect the bearings. THÄI is committed to high-quality spindle manufacturing. It uses the most appropriate components and materials to meet and surpass client requirements, and it cuts absolutely no corners at all in all that it does. Whether it be taper, 300mm bar test, thermal expansion or tool shank clamp force, we are here to deliver the highest quality standards. THÄI is a humble and dedicated spindle supplier, and it lets its quality speak for itself.